Hey everyone, welcome back to the Druid's Den. Today we're going to be working on the 12 by 24 tiny home renovation again. I'm going to be finishing up the ceiling here in the kitchen for starters. So I got to finish up the insulation here, and then we're going to do drywall.
Yeah.
This is one of the hardest things for me to do because I definitely need another person in order to hold these things up. It's just awkward more than anything. So I'm very thankful that I've got my dad around to help me out.
Okay, we're starting to get it there. Yeah, I think that's enough to hold it up.
Cool.
This one was a little bit easier to put up because I was able to hold it up kind of against the wall, and then I also just used my head to hold it up because it's the short side of the building, so I can at least do some of it on my own. I also built a little kind of partition wall here to separate the kitchen and the living room. It needed a structural beam or something here. The roof was sagging a little bit. Thought that might help it out some, since I've had that 2x4 there for so long anyways. And this just, it made it feel a little more fancy as well, I thought, so can't hurt. So I got the drywall all finished here in the kitchen area, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this mudded up and then painted. I just ended up mudding it the same way I did on the walls, so it's just gonna have that kind of nice texture look on it. Then we got two of these cabinets here. One of them is designed with a like a fake top drawer so that you can use that one for a sink, and then the other one's just a regular real cabinet.
That one's over in the corner,
Gotcha, okay.
and then this one is where that one is.
Yeah, this ends up looking nice.
But yeah, I think these look great here. I think eventually I'm going to put a backsplash above them, and they're probably like a little shelf up there for mugs and stuff as well. I know that's something my mom said she wanted. So I decided to sand it down a little bit on this post here just because it looked a little too textured. So I just kind of softened the edges a little bit before I started painting. All right, and here we have it so far. Kitchen's starting to come together here. Just need to do countertops soon, put the sink in, a backsplash like that, and then just bring appliances in and stuff, and we're about ready. I'm really happy with how this little wall turned out. I am going to add a top wood piece on that partition wall as well as on the windowsills, so it's probably going to be next week, so you'll see it then. All right, everyone, thank you again for watching. I'm going to be trying to do a video a week for the rest of the year, or the foreseeable future anyways, so the plan is to have another video out next week on Saturday. That's going to be just me finishing up basically the living room, I would say, and then after that we'll start on the kitchen and finish up in the bathroom. So all right, thanks. I'll see you again soon.